My name is Sabi. I'm super happy because I just had the most amazing Sunday with the most amazing people and vegan food and nutrition. And cherry on top of the cake, I just got this gift, the life of Gaia. Okay, and it has all these amazing herbs for the art of smudging. I have sweet grass that smells sweet, delicious. I have palo santo. There's sage and cedar. So whenever I get home after driving all day in Florida, which I don't have to tell you how that goes, okay, I just burned a little bit of it, just spread it around my room or whatever area I'm going to be doing. If I want to do my meditation or just like relax before I eat something, or just like spend time with my mom and my little dog. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be burning effective tomorrow, because now I have my perfect gift, the life of Gaia, and it comes with hand instructions.